Let's eat, but not just anywhere. We're eating right here in our new Kitchen Collection cooking set with our friend Michelle from the Kitchen Collection. I went into the store the other day and holy cow, I was blown away.
Thank you.
And everything you see here, you can find at the Kitchen Collection. Pizza.
Breakfast pie.
Breakfast pie, or as we call it, quiche.
Yes.
Because real men eat quiche. What have you put into this?
So this is a Caprese quiche. It has tomatoes, tons of basil, fresh mozzarella, eggs, heavy cream, salt and pepper. Very basic,
For
very
the
easy.
average person at home, how difficult is this to fix?
This is a 3 out of 10, the whole menu. So
Really?
simple, yes.
All right, what do you serve with the quiche?
So we're gonna make an asparagus Caesar salad. So instead of romaine, we're gonna use grilled asparagus,
All right.
cherry tomatoes.
Right? What
Ready?
do we do to get started?
So I have grilled the asparagus. You could steam it if you don't want to go outside
Right.
and grill it, but I love the grill marks.
Sure.
Just a little smoke.
A little crunch?
Yeah.
All right.
So just again, pretend the asparagus is your romaine.
All right.
I have some cherry tomatoes that I've chopped in half.
What do we pretend those are? Cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes, that would be
They're
good.
strawberries.
All right, strawberries. Have it your way, because the cook always does. Or should I say the chef always does. All right, what next?
So, and then I've taken some sourdough bread and just torn it with my hand so the croutons look homemade. They're
Right.
a little rough chopped, so a little more rustic, which
Yeah.
I think fits with the asparagus.
Sure.
Just gonna put a little of that in.
Wait a minute, you forgot one.
That's
Just
too
like
many.
that. Well, no, it
It's
isn't.
too
It's
many.
not there. Now it's an even number.
You've ruined everything.
Yeah, well, not the first time today I've heard that.
So,
All right.
and then we make our Caesar dressing a little more vinaigrette than heavy. So there's a little more lemon juice in it and a little more vinegar
Yeah.
and a little less eggs, just so that it's a little runnier and not gloppy. Gloppy a word?
Guapi is a word.
So,
it is now because you made
is.
it up.
I'm on
Wow.
TV. It's the truth.
This looks like a meal by itself.
It's so pretty when we get it all stirred together.
I bet. I bet.
So just toss all the ingredients.
4 easy ingredients. It looks and smells amazing. And then you just pour it into the bowl.
So pretty.
You dropped a grilled asparagus. I took care of it though. All right.
And then we're going to garnish it with some shaved Parmesan.
Yum.
Um,
And we could get this at the Kitchen Collection.
you can.
What if I said it's not enough cheese? You'd pour in just a little bit more. No, it was just a hypothetical question. Out of all the mistakes you made in life, putting more cheese than the recipe calls for shouldn't be
It's
on that
never
list.
one of them.
All right, what are you going to drink with this magnificent Mother's Day meal?
So we have at the store these amazing by a company called Teespressa mimosa cubes. These are strawberry ones.
Right?
And all you have to do, we're going to do Perrier because it's the morning time and Chip and I aren't ready to drink. Well, we are.
Well, that's neither here nor there. So you put a cube in to a
Cube.
champagne flute,
So the champagne flute or a wine glass.
which, by the way, you can also get these champagne flutes at the Kitchen Collection.
You top it off, and not only do the sugar cubes give your champagne or your soda more effervescence, but as you can see what's going on,
Yeah.
it releases the flavor into the glass, and you, without adding juice, have a fun strawberry Bellini.
And you can get these ingredients at the Kitchen Collection. They've been open a few months now. If you haven't been in, do it. Right down the road, you can meet Michelle, you can pick her brain, find out all kinds of ideas and recipes. You can find out a little bit more about Events with Taste, which you also have something to do with, right?
A little bit. Little catering company. Been in business for
little
23 years.
Catering company that's been in business 23 years. I can't tell you what a cool place this is. It blew my mind. It'll blow your mind as well. And speaking of mind blowing, it's dessert.
So again, tried to think of things that are simple because mom probably does most of the cooking in the house. So this is something that the kids and dad could put together and
Right.
it not be overwhelming. So this is a French strawberry cake. It has just very basic ingredients: butter, sugar, flour, strawberries, eggs.
Yeah.
One pan, no frosting, no layering, and it's an amazing, amazing cake.
I'm betting you have some cakes pre-made if dad or the kids don't want to go to all this trouble. All you have to do is kind of garnish it with strawberries,
Yes.
right? You are the best, no doubt about it. Again, I can't tell you what a cool, fun place this is. It is the Kitchen Collection, 2440 Broad Street, right down the road from Channel 12. 2440 Broad Street. What a cool place. Michelle, your website?
Kitchen-collection.com.
Kitchen-collection.com. You'll thank us later. You hungry? I am. Let's eat.